Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something special for all you graphic designers out there, how to use MidJourney. This isn't about just creating random art. This is about using this platform to complement your professional design projects with precision and creativity. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources, tips, and even prompts to help you enhance your design projects. Now, let's jump right into the world of graphic design with MidJourney. Graphic design needs a more structured approach than pure art. Our goal here is to create visuals that work with branding, focusing on elements like color harmony, scalability, and typography. So, first off, let's say we're designing a logo for a tech company. So instead of a basic prompt like a futuristic logo, we need to get specific. So here's the prompt that we'll try to do. Here's the one that I put together. Here's the list of details right here. Minimalist logo for a tech company. My apologies for that. Neon blue and metallic silver color palette. Modern geometric shapes, bold and futuristic typography, and sleek and scalable design. All right. Now here is everything. Now let's hit enter right over here. Let's go. Now, by adding details about color and shape, we guide MidJourney right here to give us something tailored to professional needs. So let's just wait a bit while for the process to go through. It might take a couple of seconds, that is, or oh, and there we go, as it processes right here, and yep, perfect. So you can see the neon blue and silver right over here, and seems some of these results really stand out. And the design looks modern and scalable. This is exactly what we want. It would look just as good on a, let's say, tiny business card as it would on a billboard. That's the power of using detailed prompts in a design focused way. Pretty cool, huh? In graphic design, creativity is important, but functionality is what really makes the design work in the real world. We need to ensure that the visuals we create can adapt across different mediums, whether it's for a website or an app or even print materials. Now, let's think about scalability. If you're designing a logo for a, let's say, a mobile app, it needs to be bold and clear, even at smaller sizes, that is. So here's how we can prompt MidJourney to generate something functional but still creative. So here it is, right here. This is the one that I just stated earlier, right over there. It says easy to scale without losing detail right here. Strong contrast, flat design, yada, yada, yada. And there we go. Let's send this right over right now. Okay, so by focusing on boldness, contrast, and simplicity, we're ensuring the design works whether it's shown on a tiny app icon or blown up for a banner ad. All right, here are the results right here. Looks pretty great, I must say. The logo is simple yet striking. You can see, not more details or getting more in depth in the results, just simple logo, geometric and all. It's very striking. And because it's a flat design, it will scale perfectly across all platforms. This balance between creativity and functionality makes it versatile for multiple uses. I am quite impressed by this. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Stylization in MidJourney lets us play with the artistic side of design. But when it comes to graphic design like this one, there's a balance to strike. Too much stylization can make the design impractical, especially for branding or professional projects. So let's adjust the stylization for a product mockup. We want it to look sleek and professional, but still eye-catching. Here's a prompt that keeps things stylish yet functional. So here's an example that I come up with. So let's say I want a bottle design for skincare. It has white with silver accents, minimal branding, clean and elegant aesthetic, and there's also this one, the quality 8K ultra realistic. All right, let's send this off. But hold on. Maybe we could adjust using the aesthetics right here. For stylization, make it a bit more subtle right here. So there we go. No need to touch up these ones, for instance. All right, let's send this off. So by keeping the stylization subtle, we're guiding MidJourney to create something that looks polished but won't be over the top or hard to apply in real world scenarios. Now, let's wait a while until the results are now popped up any moment, and then here we go. There it is. So let's take a look at a few of them right here. So you can see, very sleek. There we go. The bottle looks really snazzy right there. Right over here, this one looks good as well. And here it is. Very sleek design with just enough detail, just as I said from the prompt. And as you can see, the clean lines and elegant that feel makes it very perfect for product packaging. And I feel like this could be ready for real world use without looking quite overdone. Pretty cool, huh? Graphic design often requires us to layer different elements, text, imagery, branding, into one cohesive design. MidJourney can generate the image, but it's important that the image fits seamlessly with the other design aspects you're working on, like layout and typography. So let's try creating an ad poster that balances product imagery with text. We need to think about the layout will guide the viewer's eye from the product to the details. Now here's a prompt that incorporates multiple design elements. So here's the one that I come up with. So let's say we'll do a modern poster design for a luxury product. It features a sleek perfume bottle, also a white background with soft golden lighting, bold typography for product name. Let's say on the top left corner, then minimal text for product details at the bottom, for instance. So here we go. Let's send this off right now. So by specifying the placement of text and the product image, we're telling MidJourney to follow a clear visual hierarchy. This ensures the design looks clean and directs attention to where it's actually needed. All right, it might take a few seconds for the results to come up. Oh, here we go. And as you can see right here, perfect. So the perfume bottle is well positioned, and the lighting adds that luxury feel without overwhelming the design. As you can see right here, it's quite beautiful actually. See? Right here. Now we can check the other design right here. There we go. This composition really works very beautifully with the ad itself right here. You can check it out right there. And there we go. Oh, see there are text here. Let's say there are details down in this corner, this minimal text. And there's, for instance, like the brand name itself. Well, with this positioning, it really draws attention to the brand name, while the minimal texts keep things sleek and really focused. It's pretty well designed, actually. And there you have it. Using detailed prompts in MidJourney can help you generate amazing images for your graphic design projects. And that's it. See you guys, everyone.